Right, I'm just going to glue the back so that we can pop on the pin. About 1/2 inch down. I'll just do that. And we pop the pin on like that. Take a little bit of felt. I'll glue that. Make sure that's well glued. Just holds on to that. Then you can close your pin up. Take it off there. And then we can start building. Now I've already handmade some of these flowers. And that is a little bit too big for that one. So what I'll do is, excuse me, I think we'll make a smaller flower. Just the same as I've shown many times. Let's do the smaller needle. It's a bit thinner. Goes through the fabric a little bit better. So we're going to burnish the end. And you can do mini flowers on these. I'm just going to do a couple of stitches across the bottom section. And I just love doing this flower, so. And as I mentioned in my other video that was blurred, yesterday I picked something up and my thumb cracked again. And it's whatever's happening, it's here. And it got painful again. It was alright overnight, but I woke up this morning and with not using it, it was quite painful. So I'm going to have to go have it checked out, I think. I might have just cracked a bone, I don't know. But it's like every now and again it just moves out of place and it's painful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And sorry, that is my stomach you can hear. I've not had my breakfast yet. I'm too busy working. I just wanted to get this video out of the way today because I've got the ballerina shoes to start. And I'm going to start on them today. Later on. And I'm going to film it all the way through. Because they're just hanging ballet shoes. And they came in the other day and I thought I need to get them done. Because they are what somebody's requested. But I have to get these little videos out the way. So 1, 2, 3. That's the 4th petal. And we only need 5. And I've got to go and pick my granddaughter up from the airport today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Her and her boyfriend, as I said, have been to Poland. They went to his family members of his a wedding and had a few days there while they got the chance. And they're due home this afternoon. But she's just phoned me to say what time to pick them up. And as long as all the flights go all right, we'll be bringing her home. She's missed everybody. But she's had a brilliant time. She phoned me through the week. And I said, oh, what are you doing? She said, we're on a walk, Nana. She went, there's about 8. I think she said about 8 of them. Had all from the party, like. The wedding guests had gone up the mountain and they were gone up by the lift and were walking back down. So I said, oh, do a panoramic view. It was absolutely gorgeous. You don't think of Poland as being like that, because we just think of Poland, the war and all of that, and all the hell that was happened there, but she loved it. Right, so I'm going to pop this one to the side, like that. I've also got a bit of this, which I'm going to add in, I think. Make sure I've got a good clear picture. Oops. I'm going to pop this behind. Somewhere there. I don't know whether that's a little bit, that might be a bit too big, so I'm going to cut that down. You just need to pop on, oh look, see, just that little bit. Now let me just see if I've got any of the pink bobble trim that I can use. Well, I can use that for sure. There's another bit we can use. Pink bobble, there we go. There's one of them. What else can we use? Oh, we can put a bit of that in. Doesn't have to be pink. You can do a little bit of a mixture. Yeah, I can put that in. So what I'm going to do, oh, get that out of the way, silly woman. I think I'm going to put that here. And Judy McMurtry, Raymond's just altering the, you know, your parcel that came back, and then there was another one that came back with the wrong address. Raymond's just doing that for me, and he's posting in this morning. And you should get them in a few days, lovey. But I do apologise about that. I'd accidentally put the wrong address on for her. My own stupid fault. That was me, nobody else. And it came back, fortunately. Right, see how we've got that? Now, I like that. I'm going to cut this. These are those like fabric flowers you can buy. I'm just going to pop that on the top of that and sit it in there. Oh, that's pretty. Look, isn't that pretty? But I've also got this, so we're going to add a little bit of the tassel, and I need to make the right size. So I just put a little bit of glue on, and it does stop it from fraying or, you know, coming apart like that. And then what I'm going to do is I lift that up, just move all that out of the way, straight across the edge there like that, and then we sit that in as well, and you get a little bit of tassel. Let's get rid of the strands, of course. It's strands everywhere. Oh, aren't they pretty? The thing is, I'm going to take that out in the middle. Because I don't want that. I don't want that. I've got strands all over me. I want to put in the pink one. I'm just going to attach that to there, like that. And pushing it down is lifting the petal up so you can see all the flower behind. Yeah, I like that. And then what I can do is I've got some little pearly string here. 3, 6, 3, 6. And then I used a 7, 3, 6, 7. I'm going to do this to the right hand side. So we just add a bit of glue there. put I might cut these down actually. But never mind, because all spare ones won't go to waste. We can use them odd beads somewhere, so I always keep them. But the pearly drops, I'm not going to cut that. I like that. They just make them look fantastic, I think. It brings it all out. So I do have, and let me get the smaller leaves. I want to put a smaller leaf in. And we need 2. Never like to put 1 leaf on its own. Always like to do it with 2. It just makes your project. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue on the back. And let's have a look where we're going to put this in there. We'll have one there, and I think we can have one coming out at the side, which will just fill that. And we do sell the material for this. Let's have a look. Oh, we can put it in there. It doesn't matter. Now, aren't they pretty? So, just going to take that off the back. Like we say, you got your pin, which comes undone. And you can pin them anywhere you want. Aren't they pretty? So, yeah. Very quick, very easy, but you can add them to anything, from clothing to wall plaques, anything. Put them where you want. There. So I hope that's helpful. And let me just show you the others again. That's with the pin there. I don't like it, like the pin hidden. That's with the pin there as well. And you can mix and match them. And these will be going in the kits. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon.